Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how do I write my trading journal in my own style. Actually it helped me a lot. After writing like this, it really helped me a lot. Let me show you. Like first first I'll write the date, then what is the time on which I have entered, and what is the stock which I generally use to trade commodities. So on stock name or commodity name, and then what I have done, sell or buy, whatever, and then what it came, what is the output, like target or stop loss. Then after that I'll write what is the reason for entry, why did I have enter, and then I'll write the emotions what it came. Then what are the emotions I faced when I'm in the trade, when I entered the trade after my position got executed. Then after that, if it gets SL, then I'll write the mistake. Why? What is the mistake? Then after that I'll write the lesson. What did I learned from that trade, particular trade? This is how I write my trading journal. And not only this, I have even added extra, like, see, I used to take the screenshots of every trade. Like I generally go for intraday, so I'll generally prefer 1 hour and 15 minutes time frames. So I'll take the screenshots of each trade like this, and then this is 15 minutes, and this is 1 hour. Then if any points, I'll write something like this. Then I'll take the screenshots so that I can revise everything, like I can check all the trades during weekend. And not only this, sometimes if I like the setup, if I get more than 1:2 target, I'll generally go for more than 1:1. But sometimes if I go for more than 1:2 or 1:3 target, then I'll print it through my printer as well. That's it.